So I'm coming home, and I know that this particular day I'm going to roll over, a fairly significant odometer reading. And I kind of take pictures of these just to keep track of, what dates I hit certain mileages and tire rotations and, how many miles a year for insurance and things like that. So I'm like, wow, this is kind of a big one. And I missed the last couple. So it's a neighborhood street. I'll just hold the phone there and I'll get it on video. And then this happens. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, so like, what's with that? Why did it go, why did it skip? Is this something that it's been doing and I just never noticed it because I was too busy driving? Or is this something that we should be somewhat suspicious of? I mean, seems weird, right? I think it's weird. Do you think it's weird? I think it's weird. Well, just since we're here anyway, yeah, that's where I actually end up in my garage. But if you're curious about what a rear-wheel drive 85-pack Model S has done over not quite a decade, this is where I'm at. Now, my particular car was delivered with 13 miles on it, so that's why there's a discrepancy between the two. Although, based on what I saw today, maybe not. Maybe they're really the same number, and I'm just imagining things. I think it's weird.